So this is the first ever East Coast Haunters Convention taking place here in Philadelphia. Anybody can come here, and they've even got pre-show haunt tours. So we're gonna show you around the show floor here, show you what the convention has to offer. Now let's get in here and find some scary stuff.
I like the pig. I have to touch its tongue. La 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 la. Let's go. Can we do it? Oh, we got close. Yeah! Woo! Got it. Oh, man. Yeah, you sliced that one good.
Got him.
Got him.
He did the wrong thing. Had to take him out. Almost
got
it.
Board.
Got one on the board.
But it wasn't a hole in one.
We did make it. Yes, you too.
We made it.
Woo.
We wouldn't miss it for the world.
So part of these conventions, they like to do games and stuff with some of the haunted houses that attend the convention. Sometimes they do hot chip challenges, they do makeup competitions, that sort of thing. Or they're getting ready to do what they're calling the Olympics. They're gonna have people doing like human wheelbarrows and skating around on the ground and doing the limbo. Let's check it out.
Let's count them down from 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right.
Thank you. Oh, it's a special. We had to have the special coin.
You got pick one.
We're going for, yeah, it's a secret. Oh, look at the candles.
In the heart of the night, the shadows creep, and always the dark.
Would you brush your teeth with that? Looks like they did it a little hard.
What are you doing?
I'm dissecting. I'm getting our lunch. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Bonus there.
It's got hair on it. I'll put it back.
I don't think she made it.
I don't think so either. What do you think happened?
She got decapitated.
You get cute.
Holy cow. If you enjoyed what you see here, definitely subscribe. I've got another video here of a similar convention that you might like. And of course, we do a ton of haunted house walkthroughs, so maybe we'll see you in one of those. Until then, stay scary.